J. Thomas Home started in our garage in 2016.
We would get up at 4 a.m. to cut, sand, and stain shelves before going to our real jobs.
After work, we packaged and loaded up the orders, getting them to UPS before they closed at 9. Then we answered customer questions until 11 or 12, and then went to bed.
We didn't get a lot of sleep.
Our grandparents and parents even helped us on the weekends to make sure that we were getting all the orders completed on time.
That's when we knew we had to go all in.
So what makes J. Thomas Home special?
Everything is made to order, so you'll get a piece built for your space.
And we create those custom pieces with the highest quality,
with award-winning customer service. Ask us anything.
From custom shelving to dining tables, both indoor and out.
To custom trundle bed sofas to fit all the cousins for slumber parties.
For residential and commercial projects, large to small, to help your space stand out. We'll design for function and beauty, bringing your vision to life.
Backed by experience and our skilled team.
Contact J. Thomas Home today to schedule an appointment.
Think handcrafted.